And
I am intelligent and hardworking.
very good. Therefore,
I was studied hard. Therefore, I I want good. I got good result.
okay, good.
I was writing while teacher was teaching.
Okay, very good.
The class was long. The class was long. However, it was very interesting.
Very good. Go. Or
Do you want pen or pencil?
okay, go. Although
Although it was raining, we went for a picnic.
okay, go. Because
Fruits because it is healthy.
okay.
Since we had no time, we took a cab.
At
She is straight, yet the students like her.
but
I went to the shop, but the shop was closed.
okay, go. So
She was tired, so she went to the bed early.
despite
Despite the heavy traffic, we reached on time.
okay, go. As well as
He played football as well as cricket. Either or. We'll either eat at home or go out. He is neither tired nor sleepy.
okay, go. Not only but also
She is not only talent but also hard work.
hardworking.
Hard working.
Okay, go.